Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are stripping away the complicated stuff and going back to the absolute foundations of math. Every complex problem you see in algebra, calculus, or data science is built entirely on just four core movements: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's make sure you know exactly how they work and the specific words to look out for on a test. First up is addition. This is simply combining two or more numbers together to get a grand total. For example, 5 plus 3 equals 8. And in math vocabulary, the result of addition is called the sum. Next, we have subtraction. This is the exact opposite. You start with a total, and you take a specific amount away from it. If you have 10 items, and you take away 4, you're left with 6. The final answer here is called the difference. Now let's look at multiplication. Think of multiplication as a shortcut for doing addition over and over again. So, 4 times 3 means we are adding the number 4 to itself 3 separate times, giving us 12. The result of a multiplication problem is called the product. And finally, we have division. This is splitting a large number into equal but smaller groups. If you take 15 objects and divide them into 3 equal groups, each group gets exactly 5. The answer to a division problem is called the quotient. So now let's do a lightning fast recap of the key vocabulary words, because math tests love to use these instead of signs. If a problem asks for the sum, you add. If it asks for the difference, you subtract. The product means multiply, and the quotient means to divide. Mastering these 4 terms is your ticket to surviving word problems later on. If this clear breakdown helped you out today, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.